Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a bio to your TikTok profile on the TikTok.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that you should tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on profile at the top. Tap on this edit button below your username, and here you can find the bio section down below. As you can see, you have up to 80 characters, so start typing in your bio. And when you are done, tap on the save button down below on the right side, and as you can see, your bio has been updated, so you can find it here at this section. So feel free to update it anytime by coming back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.